Hi. This is hi. This is a YouTube video again. Sylvie 12, right? This is 1942. Right, Daryl?
Yeah.
1942 Chevrolet. What?
Truck.
Chevrolet truck. It's pretty nice. That's
Pretty nice.
Yeah, pretty nice for a 42. It's in very, very good shape. That's just a cover, right? Inside of this truck. Well, it's like no lights in here, but it's like all wooden right there. Wood. Weird seats, like kind of very soft, right? And okay, there. That's better. Is that better? That's like the whole roof. That's everything behind the seats. It's like speakers, right? And it's just regular covering over here. And after, I'll show you his 64 Falcon, I think it is.
63, right?
63 Falcon.